Okay, stop trying to eat that big piece of food and jump into the mouth where the tiny food is. I guess he just likes the taste of that. Is that a peanut? I think it's a peanut. He's such a cute little baby bird, though. Look, I filled that whole bowl with like bird food and squirrel food. So there's a ton of bird food in there. And he was sitting in the mouth just a minute ago. So let's see if he goes back. Okay, here he goes. All right, here he goes. So cute. Oh, there he goes. Watch it. He looks so cute when he jumps inside. It's like a little bird bath of food. There you go. How adorable is this little guy? He's so small. The bird probably weighs like an ounce or something, maybe 2 ounces. Three ounces, maybe? He's so tiny. He's so cute. Let's see if I can move a little closer. It's so hard to hold the camera steady. I have a selfie stick I could use, but I feel like this is like Tai Chi almost. I'm moving so slowly. Well, he's having a good time. So basically, this was inside, and I usually put this feeder up here for the squirrels, right there. But the little birds, the squirrels weren't coming around today, and the little baby bird was, so I put it down there because the baby bird couldn't fly. He can't get up there. So he's kind of just, he's set. And I'm glad, I could do that for him. And then who do we have here? We got Cutie boy. I got this blanket here at an estate sale for, I think I bid $2 on it, and then someone tried to outbid me at the last minute and went up to like 10, and I think I got it for like $12 or $14 or something like that, or less. But I really like it, and I thought it was a really good deal. Hi, Luna. And there's Luna on her monster bed, which she loves. Let's see if the baby bird gone. Oh, baby bird is still there. How cute. Hey. They're just so sweet. We actually lost power, so I was like trying to figure out what to do. So I just decided I would make some video of the cutie patootie heads. Where are you going? Okay, all right. And that's that. All right. Goodbye, everybody.